my name's Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you this Nescafe Taster's Choice instant coffee. It tastes so fresh and delicious, like it's handmade from a barista. A lot of times I run very late and I just need a quick cup of coffee, and I don't have time to grind my own coffee, set up the pot and brew it. So I love how easy and convenient this coffee is. You can gauge the strength as well. I tend to like my coffee strong, and surprisingly, a little bit of this makes my coffee very strong. So it's a quality instant coffee, and I like that it's got a nice froth at the top. It's almost like it's freshly brewed. In fact, sometimes I wouldn't even think that it wasn't because it's just so well made. I'm happy with this. I feel like it's perfect, and I love the jar, how long it lasts. This is a great tasting coffee, and it really is a lifesaver. Helps me in my life, and it helps me get things done quick, and man, it really works. It's a great tasting coffee, and that's my point of view.